Hi, this is our 2015 final project for biology.
In this video, we are going to be going over the topics we have learned this year and all the main points.
Our first segment is photosynthesis. As you can see, all these organisms are actively using photosynthesis in real time.
I'm Micah Millentree.
I'm Mr. McLundy.
And I'm Quentin Coelho.
In photosynthesis, plants use the sunlight to convert it to energy, which is used for the following: making leaves green. I mean, that's all good stuff, you know what I mean? Also, photosynthesis is used for uses carbon dioxide and releases a form of oxygen. We'll learn more later.
The next segment is nutrition.
Alright, so nutrition. Your body needs a bunch of stuff found all in human nature, and sometimes it's not really easy to get it all concentrated in one, so you have supplements. Right here you got protein. We'll talk more about this later. You got some glutamine, also found in human nature. This is going to help your muscles repair very fast after any workout. Right here we got some creatine. This is going to give endurance to your muscles. This is found in steak and other red meats, but as I said, this is going to give you way more concentrated amounts. Good stuff right here.
All right, so this is protein. Protein is found all throughout your body. It's found in your hair, fingernails, and your muscles. All right, so people need protein at the most after a workout. All right, so you get done working out, you're really tired, and you need something to repair your muscles fast. So people typically will take protein supplements. What that does, it comes in and rebuilds your muscles. So you work out, your muscles all torn up, drink the protein, repairs, comes back stronger and better. All right, that's protein. Creatine, this stuff right here helps for added energy throughout your workout.
Okay, as my boy was talking about protein, this right here is going to give your body, it's going to make your body apt to getting all the protein it can get. It's going to open up all your muscles, going to make your muscles hungry, and they're going to take this in really well if you mix this in with your protein. It's going to kind of open up a bunch of doors for your muscles, and this protein, all the amino acids in here are going to find their way in, and they're going to repair all the broken muscle strands that you did the damage in a workout. This is going to open the doors. This is going to do all the fixing, and so this is a good duo right here.
This I'd like to call C4, alright? Now let me tell you something about this. It's a hazard, but this is like the cocaine of protein, alright? This stuff gets you pumped, you know? Let's go, right here. C4, you want to get hyped? Feel the hype.
Part 3, phenotype. Alright, so we're talking about phenotype. You got dominant and recessive traits. As we saw with Colton, he had the blue eyes. That's a recessive trait, although it's a more favorable trait. And the brown eyes, like myself, is a dominant trait. And so sometimes you're going to have dormant recessive, probably like his parents had, and you're going to come out, it's just going to work out just right, like we were talking about the Punnett squares. He's going to have blue eyes, and that's just the way it works. My parents, obviously, one of them had a dominant trait, brown eyes, and so just worked out how I came out with the brown eyes, and that's really important how phenotype works. You're going to have a dominant and recessive trait, say capital A, little a, and the recessive trait will only work if a little a is matched up with little a, and a dominant trait, if even one's in there, it's going to be the dominant trait. It's way more dominant, I suppose, so that's an important thing to remember about phenotypes.
The highlight of this year's curriculum would be photosynthesis, protein, nutrition, supplements, and last but not least, we learned about dominant traits, recessive traits, and you know, this is how bio went this year. Thank you.